Do you think only students from Tier 1 institutes such as IITs or NITs are destined to get high-paying jobs? Do MNCs prioritize college reputation over the skills? Here's the answer.
When it comes to a job, all that matters is if you have got the right set of skills. If you have got them, there is no difference at all between you and a person who's from IIT with an AI rank behind his back.
Even if this is true, unlike IITians, why are students from Tier 2 or Tier 3 colleges are not able to make it into top MNCs? Why out of 1 crore students clearing the UG degree, only 12% get a job?
The answer is simple, a major skill gap. Think about this. Can the army of a country just be trained in simulations without giving them practical hands-on weapon training and assistance from experienced veterans? No, right?
Then why should learning technology be any different? Can't we just learn it by doing instead of hearing boring lectures one after another?
This is the major difference between Tier 1 institutes and other colleges. Welcome to Intellipaat. Here we are trying to bridge this education gap and make quality education available to all.
We want you to learn exactly like the IIT grads do and attain your dream jobs by learning the curriculum designed to get you a high-paying job. A bit confusing? Let me break this down to you.
We design our courses after doing a lot of R&D and consultation with the industry experts. Even the free courses that we put on YouTube have helped so many people to crack interviews. That's why we have 1 crore plus subscribers learning from us over this platform. And this makes the Intellipaat world's #1 professional course provider on YouTube.
Now coming to this course, you will learn directly from the architects building products at Amazon, Microsoft and Meta alongside experienced veterans and IIT faculties. It's not just about learning, it's also getting mentored by the India's top tech leaders.
Design your own database engine or develop end-to-end social media products like Facebook. Even go beyond that and create an algorithm that would determine if there is an obstacle in front of your car while navigating in the pitch dark. Create these very same projects that no one in the industry would believe a college graduate can do.
So gain complete control of your career. Choose a specialization from one of the 5 trending domains of IT and become a data professional, AI engineer, cloud engineer, full stack web developer, or even an application builder.
We understand that just teaching you is not enough. We need to assist you in measuring your progress and study in the right direction with proper mentoring. That's why we have a team of dedicated learning managers in place to track your performance and help you stay on the right path. Hard skills matter, but so do soft skills. Receive soft skills trainings and prepare yourself to throw paper presentations, clear interviews, and present your ideas to build the next big IT products.
Once you go through this training, you won't have to run after companies. Rather, the company will run after you.
Over here, we believe the language barrier shouldn't stop you from learning. Hence, we want you to study the technical concepts from us in the English language, alongside the language of your own comfort, such as
మాస్టర్ టెక్ కోర్సు నేర్చుకోవడానికి కూడా తెలుగులో కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంటుంది.
மாஸ்டர் தொழில்நுட்பங்களை தமிழ் மொழியிலும் கற்று முன்னேறுங்கள். उतना ही नहीं, अब टेक सीखो अपनी मातृभाषा हिंदी में.
We have seen some amazing results over the year with this training model. Some of our learners, even after being fresher, have received the salary of 30 lakh rupees.
We have helped students from Tier 2 towns and Tier 3 colleges to land a tech job. Not only that, we have also helped the unemployed ones to land a job in the IT industry.
The results that we just discussed are not self-proclaimed. They have been verified by Ernst & Young. Some of our learners work as VCs and product managers at some of the best companies out there. Not only that, our alumni are working in more than 20,000 plus companies across different industries. You name the industry and we have our existential networks.
So if you're a goal-driven individual looking to get a high-paying job, believe us, there is no shortcut to achieving this goal. You need to start the preparation as early as you enter your first year. So stop waiting and start learning the technology right way. Give us a call to our course advisors to learn more about the program and get started.